Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable kids mode and use kids mode in Infinix Hot 11 smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings. Then you can find kids mode in the settings option. You need to click that. Now you can enable the apps for the kids. So you can enable some apps. So I will enable Asphalt 9 and the camera. So these two apps only available for a kids mode. Also you can set time limit. So I will set 15 minutes. Also you can use data limit. So the default option enabled eye care, low battery protection, bad poster alert. So now you need to click use kids mode. Now the phone is entered to kids mode. So these two apps only available for that. So kids can use camera and Asphalt 9. Also the whole phone entered into the eye care mode also. There is a time duration is displayed also. So if you want to exit, you need to enter your pattern code. So it's a very useful feature. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.